I'm Eric with Spaceti. We are so excited to be here at InfoComm. Spaceti is a space management platform, and we are debuting at InfoComm this year our new artificial intelligence, which not only gives us the ability to use data for insights and recommendation, but today we are announcing the next evolution of our artificial intelligence, which is all about how we use artificial intelligence to book rooms and spaces. So if I'm in a workplace and I wanted to be able to find an open space, invite some colleagues, I'm using AI technology to be able to help me as an employee for organizations that are engaged with Spaceti. As a space management platform, we do a ton of other things for smart buildings, like smart parking and smart lockers, but we are both a hardware and a software organization where not only are we using IoT devices to gather data on occupancy utilization, but we also have a software platform that is taking in that data and being able to provide the analytics and the insights back to those organizations who engage with us. So we're so excited to be here in Orlando at InfoComm 2025, and if you have time, please stop by and visit us.